Last year, on September 18, 2023, we lost Jainath Misra ji. As we all know that he was a London-based NRI who at the age of 75 dared to come to India and assist as a volunteer for a new political party called Aam Aadmi Party.
मेरी जो शुरू की ज़िंदगी थी इस देश में वो ऐसी भी थी जिसमें मुझे यहाँ की पॉलिटिकल लाइफ में कुछ इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, लेकिन मेरा विचार इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स में ज़बरदस्त रहा क्योंकि मेरी औकात जो यहाँ पे वो डिपेंड करती है इंडिया भारत की स्थिति पर।
Thinking that this party will actually bring Vyavastha Parivartan, and that is how his dream of changing the country will be fulfilled. But unfortunately, Aam Aadmi Party started deviating from its principle pretty soon. And at that point, he had the courage to oppose the wrongdoings and misdeeds of Aam Aadmi Party. And that is called conviction. Aam Aadmi Party actually started debating, and Jainath not only vehemently opposed the party leadership, he actually ensured that he also participated in Chandavan Satyagraha, which was started by volunteers like us and him to oppose the wrongdoings of Aam Aadmi Party.
सो जिस तरह से डॉक्टर साहब ने बताया कि जयनाथ मिश्रा जी सर यूके से आके यहाँ उन्होंने आम आदमी पार्टी को स्थापित करने में बहुत अपना महत्वपूर्ण योगदान निभाया, बट जिस तरह से आम आदमी पार्टी ने उनके साथ विश्वासघात किया, उनके साथ नहीं, सारे वॉलंटियर्स के साथ, सारे जो भी लोग जुड़े थे आम आदमी पार्टी से, और जो भी व्यवस्था परिवर्तन के लिए यूएस, यूके और भी देशों से और भारत से जो आए थे, उनके साथ विश्वासघात किया।
Last year he was battling with esophageal cancer. Yeah, and I did ask him. I remember that a few months before his sudden demise, I asked him, should we start a new political party? And I still remember his words. He said, Monish, unless we try, we won't know. So what I'm trying to say is that his always undying passion, undying zeal to change the country through actions. Still, I remember that very vividly. In 2018, Jainath ji also visited us in Chicago, in the US, and he actually, we had the pleasure of hosting him for a few days in our home in Chicago. And I remember those days spent together. Jainath ji was truly an inspiring figure, always full of zeal and enthusiasm, and always thinking about his country. In addition to what I said, he also, he migrated to the UK in his 20s. And think of a person who kept coming to India to serve through volunteer work in his 60s, 70s, and 80s also. So that is the kind of personality Jainath Misra ji was.